Hi, this is Tim. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Getting Started program for our linear motion trainer. Unlike most of our trainers where they come with the Getting Started program already installed, your trainer is going to come with a blank program installed. Mainly that way, while you're working out your wiring and everything, you don't have to worry about anything moving. So once you have your I/O tested out from the previous lesson, we're going to go ahead and download the Getting Started program just to make sure everything works with the actuator. Go to twcontrols.com and find the sample lessons. And down here near the bottom, you'll see TRN LMC RA5000 AI. And that's our linear motion control trainer with Allen Bradley Compact Logix PLC. So just click on it and go ahead and download that program. Then open it up in Studio 5000 and go ahead and go to Communications Who Active and download this program. Now, if you need any help downloading your program or configuring your drivers or anything like that, just look down in the description. We have lessons on all of that. Then put your controller in run mode. And in Studio 5000, the big thing we want to see here is this I/O OK light. As long as we see that, then we're talking to our motion controller. Just to show you what it would look like if something was wrong, I'm going to unplug the motion controller's Ethernet cable. And there you go. Now it says I/O not responding. If you see that, then you need to stop. Probably either cables come loose in shipping, or maybe you had to change your IP configuration. If you did, contact us because you're going to need to change several other things. Also notice it's highlighting it down here in yellow that something's wrong. I'm going to plug it back in, and it's going to go away here in just a second. There you go. I/O OK, and that's gone now. So once we know that, and you've already tested your I/O, in future videos, we're going to be turning switch 4 into a handoff auto switch, which means hand is to the left, and we'll be able to manually operate the actuator. Off will be in the middle, and auto will be to the right. So if I switch it over to hand, then I can use switch 3, and I can jog the actuator. And that'll tell you that everything is configured and your actuator is in good shape. So once you have that part done, go ahead and proceed to the next lesson where we're going to talk about configuring the add-on instruction or AOI in Studio 5000 so that we can communicate from the Compact Logix controller to our Yamaha motion controller. One thing I forgot to mention is once you've tested out the motion of your trainer, put the basic program from the previous exercise back into it. That's the one that is blank and has no instructions in it. That's where we're going to pick up in the next video. Till next time. Hi, this is Tim.
And this is Amber with TW Controls. Hey, thanks for finding our channel.
Here's a playlist with some similar videos.
And YouTube thinks you'll like these.
When you're ready for some intense PLC training, check out our PLC lab.
And if our videos have helped you out and you're not using our products, please consider supporting us on Patreon.
Till next time.
See ya!